Let's face it. We've all been there, staring at the mirror, wondering why that stubborn fat just won't go away. Losing weight can feel like an uphill battle. Every step feels harder than the last, and the top seems so far away. You try diet after diet, hoping this one will be the magic solution. But soon, frustration sets in. You exercise until you're exhausted, pushing your body to its limits, yet the results are minimal. But that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It's frustrating, isn't it? You're not alone, this is a common struggle. Millions of people around the world face this problem every day. It's a universal challenge. The truth is, many factors contribute to weight gain. Stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep all play a role. Slow metabolism is a big one. It can make losing weight feel like a never-ending battle. When your metabolism is sluggish, your body doesn't burn calories efficiently. It's like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of bricks. It's like a car with poor gas mileage, it just can't go the distance. You need something to kickstart your engine. This is where SeroBurn comes in. It's designed to give your metabolism the boost it needs. SeroBurn is a natural supplement designed to help you win the fight against fat. Imagine fitting into those old jeans again. It's time to say goodbye to those stubborn pounds. Feel the joy of achieving your weight loss goals. SeroBurn is your partner in achieving a slimmer, healthier you. Embrace the new you with confidence and energy. SeroBurn is not just another weight loss supplement. It's a unique formula backed by science and made with natural ingredients. Our team has carefully selected each ingredient for its powerful fat-burning properties. But SeroBurn does more than just boost metabolism, it also helps balance your serotonin levels. Serotonin is a feel-good hormone that plays a crucial role in mood and appetite control. When your serotonin levels are balanced, you feel happier, more energized, and less likely to overeat. SeroBurn works in two powerful ways that can transform your body and your life. First, it fires up your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. This means that even when you're at rest, your body is working hard to burn off those extra calories. Imagine your metabolism as a furnace that needs fuel to keep burning. SeroBurn is like adding high-quality fuel to that furnace, making it burn hotter and more efficiently. This helps you shed those stubborn pounds faster. Second, SeroBurn helps regulate your serotonin levels, which is crucial for your mental well-being. This reduces cravings and emotional eating, making it easier for you to stick to a healthy diet. You'll feel more in control of your appetite and make healthier food choices, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle.
SeroBurn has been a game changer for me. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling better overall. I've lost 20 pounds and I feel amazing. My confidence has skyrocketed and I feel more energetic than ever. My energy levels are through the roof, allowing me to enjoy activities I love without feeling exhausted.
But don't just take our word for it. The real proof comes from our satisfied customers. Thousands of satisfied customers have experienced incredible results with SeroBurn, transforming their bodies and their lives. Are you ready to unlock your weight loss potential? Imagine a life where you feel confident, energetic, and healthy every single day. SeroBurn is your key to a slimmer, healthier, and happier you. With our unique formula, you can achieve the body you've always dreamed of. For a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount and free shipping. This is your chance to start your journey without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to reclaim your health and transform your life. Join countless others who have already experienced the benefits of SeroBurn.
Visit our website today and order your supply of SeroBurn. It's quick, easy, and secure. Your journey to a new you starts now. See the difference in just a few weeks and feel the change in your energy levels.
Don't wait. Time is of the essence. Take charge of your health and start your transformation with SeroBurn today. Embrace a healthier lifestyle and become the best version of yourself.